After logging into MiEHDWIS through my login, you will be taken to your main screen, your My Work Customer Portal page. This screen allows you to update your profile information as well as create a work item. A work item might include uploading documentation to EGLE, or if you're a health department, submitting a request to our on-site wastewater management program. This page gives you a list of all the items that are relevant to you. You can filter and toggle between the items that have been created by you or created internally for you, and you can also filter it to see the items that are assigned to you. This means work items that need action taken by you. So now that we have the basics covered, let's create a new work item. In the left-hand main navigation, click Create Work Item. Then select the entity type for which you are creating for. In this example, let's choose Community Water Supply. You're then asked to select a request category and a request type. These categories and types will change depending on what you're trying to do and which program area you are working for. In this example, I want to upload an annual report, and I know it's an annual pumpage report. I also want to make sure that I choose my entity. In this case, I will choose Chris's Test System. Selecting all of these items ensures that your request gets routed to the correct individual at EGLE's Drinking Water and Environmental Health Division. After you have all this information, click Create. You have now created your first work item, or what we like to call it, an activity. You can view the status of this activity as well as important details and instructions that you may need to follow. These instructions and statuses will depend on what you selected on the previous screen. Probably one of the most important cards on this page is the Attachments card. From here, you will want to upload attachments that are relevant to this activity. Click Upload Attachments, and you can either drag your files to this page or click to browse. You can then add a file description, and you must choose a file type. In this case, this is the actual report itself and not just general correspondence related to the report. Then click Save. While creating and interacting with activities, you may be also asked to complete tasks. For instance, if you attached the wrong document, or you forgot to complete a portion of a report, or maybe you need to certify the upload files if you are a certifier for a system. EGLE staff will send you a task to complete if this is the case. You will also receive an email notification if this occurs. Once you've completed the task, just check the box and mark it as complete. You may also be interested in the Messages card on this screen. If you'd like to send your EGLE staff a message related to this specific activity, this is the place to do it. EGLE staff will respond to you through this Messages card as appropriate. Lastly, this screen also shows you a timeline of this activity, when it was created, and what has occurred through the life of this activity. So once you've attached all the appropriate documents and completed all the tasks, you can then click Submit to EGLE. The language on this button may change, again depending on your program area and the type of activity that you've created. Please check this description for instructions on what to do. In this case, I just want to submit it to EGLE. Now, your activity and its contents are following the appropriate workflow and are sent to EGLE for their review.